How to fix YouTube Shorts glitch PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix YouTube Shorts glitch PC. First, open Google Chrome on your PC. Then click on the three dots in the top right corner of your browser to open the menu. Then select Settings from the drop-down. Once you're in the settings, click on Privacy and Security from the left-hand sidebar. Under this section, click on Clear Browsing Data. In the window that pops up, make sure to check the box for browsing history. You can also check additional boxes like cookies and other site data and cached images and files if you'd like to clear more data. Once you're ready, click Clear Data to delete the selected items. After clearing your browsing data, close the settings and go to the Start menu to restart your PC. Restarting your PC can help resolve minor issues related to system performance or glitches in apps like YouTube. Additionally, if the problem persists, you may want to check your internet connection. Sometimes glitches in YouTube Shorts can occur if the connection is unstable or slow. Ensure your internet is working well and try again. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.